To replace the lock and key cylinder, you're just going to take your ignition key, slide it in, and there's a hole down here on the bottom part of the steering column, plastic shroud. It goes straight up, so I'm going to use like a dowel push pin, and you're going to turn the key in the accessory. You'll feel a button right in there. Turn it into the start position, and push down on that button, and then just slide it right out. There's the actual pin that you push it on. To install the new lock and key cylinder, make sure that push button's down. So install the key, turn it so that that is collapsible, line it up, ready to go.